Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Quizlet as a student, step by step. First, create your free account on the Quizlet website or app. This gives you access to all the powerful study tools. Next, you can search for study sets related to your course material. Many students and teachers have already created sets on various topics. You can also join a class if your teacher has shared a specific link or code. If you can't find a suitable set, it's easy to create your own. Simply add your terms and definitions, just like making flashcards. You can even include images or record audio to make your learning more engaging and memorable. Once you have several sets, organize them into folders. This helps keep your study materials neat and easy to find when you need them for different subjects or exams. Quizlet offers several study modes to help you master your material. Flashcards are perfect for quick review and memorization. The Learn mode provides a guided study experience, adapting to your progress. You can also test yourself with Write and Spell modes, which challenge you to recall information actively. Don't forget to try Match and Gravity games for a fun way to reinforce your learning. Quizlet helps you track your progress, showing you which terms you've mastered and which need more attention. This allows you to focus your study time efficiently. You can also share your custom study sets with classmates, fostering collaboration and helping everyone succeed. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to enhance your reading experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.